Let me guess. You have about 5,000 Naira in your account right now. Not millions, just small money. Every time you open Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp, you see investment screenshots, crypto screenshots, Forex mentors, people saying, DM me to join, or 50,000 to 2 million in 30 days. So when someone says 5,000 Naira can grow into 1 million, your first thought is another scam. You hiss and scroll. And honestly, that reaction makes sense because in Nigeria, everybody is selling something. But what if, instead of promises and miracles, I show you a realistic Nigerian roadmap? Not a theory, not motivation, just a simple structure an average Nigerian can actually follow. No ponzi, no magic, no overnight money. In this video, you'll see how an average Nigerian, a student, NYSC member, worker, or small business owner can start with 5,000 Naira, invest safely, add income gradually, and grow money over time. Watch till the end because the biggest mistake people make does not happen at the beginning. It happens when the money starts growing small. Let me say this clearly. If anyone tells you that 5,000 Naira will turn into 1 million by itself, close that app immediately. 5,000 Naira alone cannot perform magic. What actually works is a combination of three things working together: growth, consistency, and skills. Your money must be growing. Even if the returns are small, you must be adding money consistently, and your income must increase over time. Miss one of these and the whole plan breaks. Now meet Tunde. Tunde is 24 years old. He lives in Lagos. He works a regular job. He's not rich. He has no connections. Nobody is sponsoring him. 1 month after transport, data, and food, Tunde noticed he had 5,000 Naira left. Normally, that money would disappear on food or impulse spending, but this time he decided to start. Tunde did not rush into crypto or Forex. He did not join any WhatsApp investment group. Instead, he put the 5,000 Naira into low-risk starter investments. This is borrowing money. And borrowing is good because borrowing money does not disappear overnight. In Nigeria, this looks like using apps such as PiggyVest or Cowrywise to invest in mutual funds, or buying treasury bills through banks like GTB, Access, or Zenith. The returns are not louder. You will not double your money in 1 month. You may earn around 10 to 15% in a year, and that is okay. At this stage, the goal is not to be rich. The goal is to build discipline and confidence. Here is the part most people miss. 5,000 Naira is not the investment. It is the seed. The real growth comes from adding money every month, even 10,000 Naira. Even 20,000 Naira. Consistency matters more than amount. Tunde did not rely on salary alone. He learned a small skill: freelancing, mini importation, phone repairs, weekend delivery work. Nothing complicated. Some months he made an extra 30,000 Naira. Some months 50,000 Naira. Instead of spending it, he reinvested it. Every time, this is compound growth. Small money added consistently over time beats one big deposit. As we say in Nigeria, small, AD plenty. By month 6, something changed. Tunde's capital had grown, but more importantly, his mindset had grown. He understood money better, so he improved his skills and increased how much he invested monthly. By month 12, combining investments, extra income, and discipline, Tunde was approaching 1 million Naira, not overnight, not by luck, not by miracle, by structure. Most people fail here. They stop being consistent. They withdraw early, or they chase fast money and lose everything. Money rewards patience and punishes impatience. If you start today with 5,000 Naira, invest safely, stay consistent, and avoid scams, you are already ahead of most people. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks investing is only for rich people.